I've always wanted to learn how to make videos. Shooting, editing, color grading, all that stuff. I've always had this love for capturing memories of places, of people, and trying to tell stories and making something meaningful out of them. And so I fell in love with photography, and it wasn't long before I developed an interest in videography as well. But I didn't know what to do, I didn't know where to start, I didn't know how to do it, and it scared me a lot. And so I came up with this idea to start a YouTube channel with the goal of trying to become better at photography and videography. To use it as a kind of sketchbook for stories, to document ideas, experiences, and things I learned along the way. And I'm hoping that one day I might get to inspire others as others have inspired me. My name is Justin, and welcome to my YouTube channel.